At 2:30
ona gutuika githomo nikiongereirwo kigina na kugairwo ciringi bilioni 7.7 mbeca cia igeranio kunyabara igeranio ni cinyihitio na gikiro kinene.
Mr. Speaker, I have proposed a total allocation of 702.7 billion to the education sector, which is almost 28% of our entire budget. This will include an allocation of 387.2 billion to the Teacher Service Commission. The allocation for TSC will include 7.2 billion for recruitment of intern teachers and 980 for capacity building of teachers on competence-based education curriculum.
Ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri rugairwo ciringi bilioni 138.1 iria ni nyongerera ya bilioni 17 kuma ciringi bilioni 121 mwaka muhituku.
Through the universal health coverage program is central to this government. Towards this end, Mr. Speaker, I have proposed an allocation of Kenya shillings 138.1 billion, up from 123 billion in the current year's budget, to the health sector to support various activities and programs.
Kigina kiria kigayagirwo county kiambatirite kuma ciringi bilioni 400 nginyagia ciringi bilioni 405.1 ona gutuika gitikinyeti itanya riria county irendaga. Ugitiri naguo wa bururi ukagairwo ciringi bilioni 253.8 nyongerera ya ciringi bilioni 34 kuma mwaka muhituku. Nakio kigina kiria kigayagirwo andu akuru aria matehotete na ciana cia ndigwa gikambatirio nginyagia ciringi bilioni 76.6 kuma ciringi bilioni 68.
The theme
gukiri uguo murimi ni aguthitwo iguthamu ahetwo ciringi bilioni 82.8 kuma bilioni 84.9 mwaka muhituku. Ministry ya utungata wa muingi kaheo ciringi bilioni 335.4 ukiringithania na mwaka muhituku ciringi bilioni 334.4 guku ruhonge rwa maria maturigiceirie mai na utonga wa kimerera makiheo ciringi bilioni 95.9 kuma ciringi bilioni 110.
I have proposed an allocation of 47.6 billion for various programs under this sector, despite the fact that agriculture is largely devolved. This includes 8 billion for the fertilizer subsidy program, 10.2 billion for the National Agricultural Value Chain Development Project.
Minister wa kigina John Mbadi akiuga matua maya mokite riri meranire kwaga kuongerera muingi murigo wa magoti.
Mr. Speaker, I am confident that the policies and structural reforms I have outlined provide a solid foundation for sustaining our socio-economic transformation.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Gishimo Joseph.